Ants Creek Park, as shown here in red, is located on Table Rock Lake near Kimberling City, Missouri, just minutes away from Silver Dollar City and all the Branson attractions you've come to love. Ride with us as we drive through the entire campground, and be sure to stay till the end for an animated map to show you the easiest way to get here. Ants Creek Park is a Corps of Engineer property that is nestled along the scenic James River arm of Table Rock Lake, just a 30-minute drive from Branson, Missouri. This hidden gem offers an abundance of amenities for RV and tent campers, day trippers, and water lovers alike, so buckle up and let's drive through the property to see what it has to offer. As we drive through the park entrance, the lush greenery and towering trees immediately welcome us to this natural paradise. Ants Creek Park offers an impressive total of 55 reservable RV and tent camping sites that is perfect for those seeking a serene getaway amongst stunning natural surroundings. Driving by the campsites, we can see why this park is a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Each spacious site is equipped with all the necessary amenities, including electric and water hookups, picnic tables, and fire rings, ensuring a comfortable camping experience for all. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or prefer the simplicity of tent camping, this campground has you covered. Ants Creek understands that comfort and convenience are essential when you're spending time in the great outdoors. Be sure to have your National Parks Pass in hand to get free access to the day areas as well as 50% off the camping fees. The park provides plenty of picnic tables and grills, allowing everyone ample space to enjoy delicious meals whilst being surrounded in nature's beauty. Beyond the camping and water activities, Ants Creek Park offers a variety of recreational opportunities to keep visitors entertained, from hiking trails that wind through the picturesque landscape to playgrounds for kids and the young at heart. There's always something for everyone. Nature lovers can also revel in bird watching while capturing glimpses of vibrant species in their natural habitat. Whether you're an avid angler seeking the perfect fishing spot or a leisurely cruiser, this park is a great getaway to endless aquatic adventures. Now let's make our way to the heart of the park. The sparkling waters of Table Rock Lake beckon you to jump in for a refreshing swim. For those of you who bring your own watercraft, Ants Creek Park provides a convenient boat launch. Here, you can easily set sail on Table Rock Lake and see why it is known for its crystal clear waters and scenic beauty. If you're finding this video to be helpful or entertaining, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment if you've ever stayed here or plan to stay here in the future. Then, subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our future videos. It's all free and it'll let us know that we're doing something helpful for others. As the day draws to a close, get ready for a breathtaking sunset over Table Rock Lake. Watch the colors dance across the sky, casting a golden glow on the waters, creating a serene atmosphere. It's moments like these that remind us to cherish our time with our loved ones and protect our natural wonders. The easiest way to get here is to take Highway 160 south from Springfield, Missouri. Travel 36 miles through Nixa, Branson West, and continue on toward Kimberling City. Be aware that Highway 160 is also Highway 13. Turn right onto Missouri State Highway 00 and the park entrance will be 3 miles ahead. Thanks for spending some of your time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful for you and your family. Be sure to check out our other videos shown here and tell your friends about us. And as always, we wish you safe travels and remember, have fun, let's travel.